nandito tayo ngayon sa farm para i-demonstrate kung paano nga ba yung proper harvesting in beans or the Phaceolus vulgaris. So bakit nga ba kailangan natin ang proper harvesting in vegetables? Proper harvesting techniques help to maximize the yield from a vegetable crop, ensuring that the vegetables are picked when they are at their peak. Harvesting at the right time ensure the best taste, texture, and nutritional value. Incorrect harvesting method can damage the plant, affecting its future growth and productivity. Careful harvesting helps maintain the health and viability of the plant. So proper harvest produce has a longer shelf life and is more appealing to consumers. So ayan na po yung beans na ating iha-harvest. So kailangan nating i-harvest ng tama para hindi masira yung ating halaman para sa susunod ay may ma-harvest ulit tayo. So ayan. Sa pag-harvest ng beans ay dapat nating ayusin para hindi maputol o malaglag yung mga bulaklak at mga maliliit na bunga.